Okay, you've downloaded the BWA app. You'll see it in your phone with an icon that looks like this with spot control. Go ahead and open it up, and the first thing you'll see, and this only happens the first time you open the app, is you'll see a tour that has some of the features. Improved cloud connection, easier navigation, improved security, and this is an important point here. All new users and existing users that were using BWA earlier must do initial setup, direct mode, in order to set up a cloud account with a username and password. This requires a user to be physically next to the spa. Okay, so that's important.